Hello viewers, welcome to We Are The Vloggers channel. Today's recipe is Malabar fish biryani. So let's start the recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, handful of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of fish curry masala. Mix it well. Now add half a spoon of water. Apply it on your fish. Take a pan, place it on a medium flame, and I have added 2 cups of rice with 5 cups of water, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 bay leaf, and make it to 80% cooked. Place another vessel in the stove and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now add the fishes one by one. But before frying them, leave it for 30 minutes after the marination process is done. Fry the fishes for 3 to 4 minutes each side and place it on a plate. Take the same vessel and add half inch of cinnamon stick, 6 cardamoms, 15 to 16 whole pepper and 5 cloves. Add 1 large chopped onion to the pan. Saute it well. And I am gonna take 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, then take 1 tablespoon of fish curry powder, one tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, now add 2 tablespoons of curd and mix well to avoid any kind of lumps. Add handful of coriander leaves with 1 cup of water. After 2 to 3 minutes, add half a tablespoon of salt. Now place the fishes into the curry. Add the 80% of cooked rice above the curry. Pour half cup of ghee around the rice. Add some fried onions. Now cover the lid for 20 minutes and place the flame on low. Mix the rice well and switch off the flame. Leave for 10 minutes and enjoy your food.